The scene presents a sweeping, aerial view of Antarctica's desolate, icy landscape. This landscape emphasizes the continent's untouched and isolated nature. Satellite images are overlaid to provide a high-altitude perspective of the continent. These images highlight specific areas where anomalies have been detected. The anomalies are visible through advanced imaging technology. These areas of interest are the focus of the ongoing research. Satellite imagery analysis focuses on identifying patterns and anomalies in Earth's surface. Man-made structures often exhibit straight lines, sharp angles, and rectangular shapes. These geometric features contrast with the irregular forms found in natural landscapes. Measurements and dimensions can further confirm the artificial origin of these structures. A digital map of Antarctica highlights areas with detected anomalous structures. Red zones overlaid on the map indicate restricted access areas. The restricted zones coincide with the locations of the anomalous structures. This juxtaposition suggests a deliberate effort to conceal these locations. The secrecy surrounding these areas implies a hidden agenda or unknown purpose. Satellite imagery has revealed several pyramid-shaped structures in Antarctica. These structures exhibit distinct triangular faces and a geometric shape. The precision of these structures is clearly visible from a satellite perspective. Initial observations have drawn comparisons to pyramids found in other regions. The geometric similarity prompts further investigation into their origin. The appearance of the structures raises questions about natural versus artificial formation. A visual comparison reveals similarities in shape and angle between Antarctic structures and Egyptian pyramids. The geometric resemblance between these structures is immediately striking. This comparison highlights the initial surprise and speculation surrounding the Antarctic discovery. The similar geometry raises questions about potential connections or shared design principles. Geologists suggest natural erosion is unlikely to form geometrically perfect shapes. Random mountain formation rarely results in precise triangular faces. The Antarctic structure's shapes suggest they may not be entirely natural. This raises questions about the origin of these formations. The potential age of these structures is also a subject of inquiry. A desolate Antarctic landscape stretches endlessly, ice and snow gleaming under the sun. Satellite imagery appears, focusing intently on a specific, isolated region of the frozen continent. V.O. 2001. A NASA satellite orbiting Earth captures an anomaly in Antarctica. The vast expanse hides a secret, detected from space. Now, the focus of intense scrutiny. The anomaly waits, buried deep within the ice, a silent mystery under the watchful eye of the satellite. In NASA's control room, scientists gather around screens, their faces lit by data streams. Arya points to satellite images, her eyes burning with determination, seeing unnatural symmetry. The object's symmetry. It's not natural, Arya declares, seeing a structure in the ice. Ben leans back, arms crossed, doubt etched on his face. Volcanic activity could explain the shape. Arya counters Ben's skepticism. But what about the scale and the perfect geometry? Professor David Elias, eyes gleaming, passionately lectures a captivated audience on ancient civilizations. What if it's a relic? A civilization lost to time? David asks, gesturing towards the icy landscape. A student questions. But wouldn't we have found something before now? David's voice drops, a hint of mystery in his tone. Perhaps some secrets are meant to stay buried. Until now. A vast Antarctic map fills the naval briefing room as Admiral Byrd addresses his officers, anticipation hanging heavy in the air. Admiral Byrd, pointer in hand, commands attention amidst the sterile, fluorescent-lit setting. Gentlemen, as you know, Operation Highjump's officially stated objectives are to map the Antarctic coastline, the Admiral declares. An undercurrent of secrecy heightens the tension in the room, hinting at hidden agendas. However, I must emphasize the importance of this mission for national security, Admiral Byrd stresses, his gaze intense. A vast, icy landscape stretches endlessly under the pale Antarctic sun, highlighting the stark beauty and desolation. U.S. Navy ships and aircraft converge, a testament to the scale of Operation Highjump against the pristine backdrop. Sailors and scientists perform research, their faces etched with a growing unease as they sense something amiss. An unexplained radio static pierces the silence, cutting off communications and amplifying the surrounding tension. Under the shimmering aurora australis, naval officers gather on deck, their faces lit by impossible lights. Strange lights dance across the Antarctic horizon with impossible speed, defying earthly limitations. "What in God's name is that?" Naval Officer 1 exclaims, his voice a mix of awe and disbelief. Naval Officer 2 responds, a chilling realization in his tone. "I don't know, but it ain't ours." Anxiety settles among the officers as the otherworldly spectacle unfolds above the frozen expanse.